guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be making some nice stew butterfish. Here I already washed my butterfish. Check it out, looking so fresh. Stew butterfish today. I am cooking them whole. Check it out. I already washed them and clean everything inside. So now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'll just turn it up like that. You can see all the black pepper on it there and the salt. I'll season it up. To my bag here, I have 1 cup of flour. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of tech mix. That's the one I'm using. Has everything inside: pepper, onion, and garlic. So I'll shake everything up. And my pan is hot and outside. So now I'm adding the fish to the bag. Seal it up. And then I'll shake everything up inside. Adding all 6 of them. So guys, again, I didn't cut them because I want to cook them whole today. Massage everything inside. The bag is sealed. This way, less messy for me. And now we'll go outside and start to fry these up. My pan is nice and hot. I shake all the excess out. Guyanese Butterfish. Check it out. I'll just try 3 at a time. It's windy outside. There we go. Looking good. Turning the fish over. Check it out there. Looking good. Butterfish looks so nice. So fresh. Check it out. Check out the butterfish. So these are done. I'll just take them out and add the others. Check out the fish here. Looking so good. I have 1 onion cut up here, some green onion, 4 teaspoons of green seasoning, and some tomato paste. Using the same oil, I'll add another teaspoon. Add in my onion, green onion. The fish oil has all the goodness, so that's why I'm using it back. Will taste good in my stew. Add in some Guyana fine thyme. Add in my green seasoning now. Smells so good already. The onion, green seasoning, and green onion smells so good with the fish oil. The oil that I fried the fish with smells so good. Add in the tomato paste, 4 teaspoons. That's 3 or 4 there. Check it out here. Frying up nicely. Add in a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of sugar just for taste. The smell is so good. A teaspoon of hot water here. Check out the sauce, looks so nice. I'll just turn it one time, I don't want it to break up. have one more. Check it out, guys. Looking so nice. Oh, this one break. I'll eat that one. Check out my stew butterfish here. Looking so nice. I'll just add a cup of hot water now, and then I'll cover it for like 4 minutes because fish is already cooked. Check it out. Add in my water. Hot water. Not much water. The fish already cooked, so I just want it to boil up a little. Check it out here. Just need a little bit of gravy inside. Check it out. Stew butterfish. Nice color. I'm adding a quarter cup of cream so that it's creamy. I like it creamy. Pour some of the gravy on top. Check it out, looks so nice. Nice stew butterfish. The cover. Add in a half a teaspoon of black pepper. I always put black pepper before it's done. My fish or chicken. Just add in some green onion. Fish is all done. Looking good. Anyways, guys, check it out here. Looking so good. The fish stay whole. It's not mashed up. Check it out. Everything stay whole. Just that one had a... I break it when I put it in. It break in half, but that's okay. That's mine. Anyways, check it out here. They all stay whole. That's how I want to cook it. Anyways, again, thank you so much for watching. I hope how you like my stew fish comes out, my stew butterfish. Check it out here. And share with your friends if you like how my stew fish comes out. Check it out. Bye.